Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about DeepCool LP series AIO CPU liquid cooler with dot matrix display. So friend, DeepCool introduced LP series all-in-one CPU liquid cooler, and the new series expand DeepCool lineup of liquid cooling product and feature a transparent ARGB pump bezel, the house a dot matrix display, and the display allows user to create custom pixel art using 14x14 grid or choose from various preset graphical options available through Deep Creative software. And the LP series is equipped with 5th generation pump technology designed for efficient cooling of modern high performance CPU, and the pump feature 3-phase 6-slot 4-pole motor that operate 3400 RPM and enhancing cooling performance. And additionally, the coolers comes with FD12 ARGB PWM fan that provide effective cooling and customizable lighting. And these fan include 6th generation 2 LEDs and pre-installed on a radiator with an 8-pin cable for straightforward installation and management and customization of LP series coolers are handled through the Deep Creative Control Center application, and this application allows user to monitor real-time system statics, access detailed system information, manage compatible devices, and it also enables synchronization of ARGB halo with motherboard ARGB controller and customizable of dot matrix display, and is available in LP 240 and 360 model. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.